Hey guys, welcome back to Cottonwood Hill Farms. So it is that time. It is time to cut hay. Feels like it was so far away and time goes so fast anymore. Now it's upon us. So I got my little man with me. He's gonna ride with me out there. And we get, what's that? We got the water bottle, that's right. Stay hydrated. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna start cutting hay on this alfalfa out here. It's looking pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead and get on it. And we're not gonna get everything cut today, but I definitely want to get I don't know, get a quarter or half or so of it cut, something like that. I don't know. We'll see how it does when we get out there. See how hopefully the tractor runs good. This is the setup we got going on. We're using the old Massey 1130 on our John Deere 275 disc mower. So let's get going. First thing we got to do here is check the oil in the mower. Oh, and we have plenty of oil. I actually probably should change this here soon.
Well, now you just got a lot of oil dropping. How do you put oil in that?
Through this little hole right here. She's got plenty of oil in her. I need to, sometime here, probably maybe this summer, I need to change that oil actually. I just rebuilt that mower I bought a couple years ago, and I used it I think for one summer, and then that following winter I rebuilt it, completely rebuilt the whole thing. All the gears, I think I had replaced like 4 or 5 of the gears in it, and then I put all new seals, all new O-rings, tore the whole thing apart. So it's in really good shape, and I want to keep it that way too. we got that alfalfa cut. We didn't cut everything, but I think we cut 8 or 10 acres or something like that. I didn't quite figure it up, but somewhere on there. There's still probably, oh gosh, there's still probably there's got to be somewhere around 8 acres left. Probably, we probably cut half of it, I guess. We'll see kind of the forecast. Maybe I'll cut the rest of it tomorrow or the following day. I don't know. We'll just kind of see. But what I'm going to do is I want to get these meat chickens out on grass. So this chicken tractor that I've got one that's almost finished, and then the other one, it's it's already finished. Obviously, it's the one we've already had. I got the tarp on it, but I got to throw some more screws in it with some fender washers just to hold the tarp down. So you can see right here, I've already got a screw and fender washer, but there's on these other eyelets, I got to throw some screws in real quick to hold that down, and then I got to do some zip ties up around here to hold the tarp down. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we're going to drag this thing out to the pasture. All right, so we got the this chicken tractor is ready to go. I got the tarp secured down, and now we just need to I'm gonna hook it up to the tractor and use that to pull it out into the just right down here in the pasture, and then we'll hook up to the little trailer and stock trailer and grab the chickens and take them down there. So yeah, that'll be a good feeling to get them out. They should have been out a couple days ago, but anyway, nice to have this all ready to go. And that other one, we'll have that wrapped up here in the next day or so. I've seen the video for the other one already. If you haven't, it's going to be coming out right after this one. But anyway, so that's kind of what we're going to do here next. Get that out there, get the chickens on some grass, and then it's going to be time to start doing chores again. Man, it is beautiful out. I'll tell you, these last few days, almost this last week, it's been like low 80s, upper 70s. Not much wind, just maybe a light breeze, and sunny. It's just been absolutely gorgeous. We need some rain. It's getting a little dry. The alfalfa was a little bit thinner than I would have liked, but it definitely was ready to go. There was probably, oh, if I had to guess, there's probably somewhere around maybe less than 5%, but I did see a few flowers starting to pop on that alfalfa, so it was definitely ready to go. Should be really good. It looked really good. I'm guessing it's actually going to be not as stemmy as usually for first cutting. I'm hoping, but we'll kind of see how it dries up here the next day or two. But all right, so we got the tractor hooked up. This ain't fancy, but it works, and we're just going to lift it up and drag it out in the pasture. All right, so we got the trailer hooked up to the tractor, and we're just gonna throw the little chicks in here and haul them down.
And I'm gonna be in there taking a video with you guys.
Yeah, he's gonna get inside and take a video while we're hauling them down.
And remember to like.
There's 11. There should be 30, 31. Okay, that's 45. All right, we got 45 in here. There should be another 47 or 48 that are still in the brooder, and they will we'll bring them out in the next ooh, what a beautiful sunset. You guys probably can't even see that. That doesn't do it justice. What a gorgeous sunset. Anyway, another 47 or 48 that'll come out in the next day or two once I get the other chicken tractor finished. And they'll then we'll put them down the other one.
Okay, so here's all the chicks. Here's the chicken.
One. Be careful, their claws will cut you.
Doesn't matter.
My father-in-law's been coming up and mowing for us, and the dude is doing a phenomenal job. There's no way this would ever look this nice if it was just up to me. I can't tell him how much I appreciate this. He's doing a great job. All right, so the little birdies are getting nestled in. We're gonna give them some feed and some water and leave them be for the night. All right, well, it's getting late and it's getting dark, so that's going to be it. I got to run down real quick and check the dry cows. I haven't been down there yet today just to make sure they're doing okay. I'm sure they're fine, but I just like to get eyes on everything every day. And then I still got a couple milk cans and stuff I got to wash up. I didn't quite get everything cleaned up after I got done milking because I was in a hurry to get this done. So good feeling to get these guys out here. I'll get that other batch out. There's 40, I believe there's 45 in here if I counted right. And we've got another 47 or 48, something like that. Left up in the brooder, so I'll get those out in the next couple days when I get that other tractor finished, and that'll make me feel really good once they're both out here. But anyway, thanks for tagging along, guys. We really appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you know anybody that you think might find our stuff interesting or like what we're doing here, just go ahead and share it with them. We'd appreciate that too. Make sure you hit the notification button too, because we got some other videos coming out. I've got that one on that chicken tractor. That'll be coming out as soon as it's finished up, which will probably be right after this one. And then, like I've said before, I still haven't spread manure yet. I'm so far behind on that, but I'll get it done. We still got a whole nother, we only did half of our first cutting of hay, so we still have another half to do on that. And we got plenty of other stuff around here that'll be coming out. So anyway, again, we really appreciate it, guys. You take care, and we'll see you in the next one.